Need to fix WhatsApp, desktop not downloading files on PC, then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, move into the settings on your device. Inside the settings, head over to apps. Inside apps, click on installed application at the very top. In this page, search for the application WhatsApp and click on it. Or click on this three dot. Click on advanced options. Here you can see tons of different options, but you have to click on reset. After resetting, it will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs. If not, try uninstalling the application by clicking on uninstall right over here. After that, reinstall the app. Most of the time, reinstalling the application has also fixed the issue. After that, click on this icon. Tap on the shutdown icon and click on restart. Once you've restarted your device, you might be also good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.